Exploring the wacky side of yesteryear, this is History Hiccups. In medieval Europe, animals could be put on trial and were often assigned lawyers. Justice was not just a human affair. Did you know Coca-Cola was initially green? It's not easy being green, but Coke sure tried. Sir Isaac Newton, the gravity guy, died a virgin. Seems he had trouble attracting anything. Charles Dickens, the author who gave us A Christmas Carol, was obsessed with cleanliness. He would probably have loved hand sanitizer. Queen Elizabeth I, she's famous for her red hair, but rumor has it she was balding and used wigs to maintain her royal image. Henry Ford, who revolutionized the automobile industry, loved to dance. The Ford Tango, anyone?